Good afternoon, everyone. This is Devjani Mitra, founder and MD of iGlam.
Hello and welcome to today's podcast. This mic is not for fantasy. This mic is for fact. If you are dreaming of fashion show, runway, pageant, photo shoot, just stay. Because what you hear today, it might shake you, but it might also save you. The reality of social media versus the reality of the industry. Let's talk about in detail. Instagram or any kind of a social media will give you likes, but the industry will give you the reality check. What you are doing, how you are doing. Followers don't equally, don't make you professional at all. They'll come and they'll go. Today you are getting lot of followers, tomorrow they may disappear from your life and your feed. Please don't replace your discipline. Always remember, today your reel may get viral, tomorrow it will not get viral. You are today, making a trend. You are setting a trend. Maybe tomorrow you will disappear. But always remember, model who walks, who groom themselves, who train themselves, stay. That means those who are consistent. The people who are consistent since I keep on doing the same thing again and again, they will definitely get the result today or someday. Don't just chase for validation. Generally what happens, many times I've seen that most of the models, they'll asking for the validation. Am I looking good? Am I looking fat? Am I thin? Am I doing a good work? What people are saying. Don't go for any kind of a validation. What you need is to do, you have to add a value, build a value where people can only think about you when they are thinking about a brand. People should connect you when they are doing something different. Okay, I should call that model because she or he is doing a great work. So the day you will create a value, your career will fly like a, sky. You will be flying in the sky and nobody is there to stop you. So think about it. People will talk. Instagram will stop. Social media will not always supporting you. People will always validate you. You just have to create the value and always remember why you have started. In any field, always remember your mental health is very important. So now let's talk about when you are doing a modeling or you are pursuing a modeling career or you are a successful model, mental strength and self-worth is very important. When you start working, when you start doing good, when people started recognizing you as a good model or people looking upon you that you can do something different and you are different from the crowd and you are a supermodel, you can, do things like this, then the mental stress comes. They will always talk about your body, they will always compare you, they will always doubt you, they will try to shrink you, they will try to give you a reminder you should stop, this field is not for you. A lot of things will happen. That's what you have to understand your self-worth. Why you are here, what you are doing, and why you have come. And always remember, your worth is not decided by the casting room, the people who are sitting in the casting room. Confidence is, never loud. Confidence is silence. It is inside you. You can feel that confident. Okay, so always remember that people will always talk. And it does not shout. Confidence never shout. It always be with you. It always boosts you. It will always tell you what to do, what not to do. If modeling is anytime it is, hurting your self-respect or making you feel guilty because of others' opinion, relax, pause yourself, take a break, heal yourself. But always remember, don't hate yourself for dreaming. Because you are dreaming, that is why you are achieving. That is why you are different from other people. People will never like the facts. They always love to live in a fantasy world. If somebody give you a reality check like this, you will get shaken. You will feel scared. You will think, that person is not the right person for me or guiding me something without asking me. always remember, two things should always be with you. One is your confidence, why you are here and what are you doing. Second, that is your mindset. You have to have a very strong mind to go in this field and conquer everything what you have planned